Hello, everyone. Welcome to June 2026. It is time for a Tech Tip Roundup. In this video, I'm going to review the tech tips created for May 2026. With that being said, let's dive into these tech tips. For the week of May 4th, 2026, the tech tip shared information about various individuals of Asian or Pacific Island descent that created unique innovations in STEM. More information about each innovator can be found by using the QR codes. For the week of May 11th, 2026, this tech tip shared some possibilities for promoting end of the school year reflections through the various Google Workspace applications. These activities can help students think about what they gained from the school year and how they hope to remember it in the future. For the week of May 18th, 2026, this tech tip promoted a few fun and educational websites that can be used if classes have flex time. All of the resources here can be accessed without requiring a user to log in and can still help learners of all ages grow in their knowledge of a variety of topics. Finally, for the week of May 25th, 2026, this tech tip explains the expectations for how to manage the organization and storage of school owned digital devices. These directives will vary depending on the school district, so be sure to check the requirements of your own organization. That's all for May 2026's recap. 10-second tech tips for the 2025 to 2026 school year has officially concluded. Whenever you are in your school calendar, I hope this series helps you in your work. Remember, everyone, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.